Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. So guys, this is a story time why I ended up upgrading from an hard drive towards an SSD. So without making this video boring and long, I just want to clear my point why an SSD is so much better as compared to a hard drive. And first of all, I want to say this video isn't sponsored by any SSD manufacturers because this video is purely based upon my personal experience. Now, I was like most other people, I decided to buy a new laptop. It was a Dell Inspiron 15. It had a Core i5, it had handsome amount of RAM, and when I bought it home, the laptop was working okay, but it was very slow in terms of booting itself for any type of application. After talking to some of my friends, I decided to upgrade the RAM, but it didn't help a lot. It really made a 5 to 10% difference. I could really see the laptop is taking so much time to boot. Literally, I will just push the power button, I will go do something and come back. The laptop would still be loading the icons on the desktop. So after dealing with a laptop for a very long time and getting annoyed every single day, I decided to upgrade to an SSD. Now, to be honest guys, I didn't know what an SSD was because I never took my computer classes seriously for some odd reason. Maybe SSD didn't exist when I was in my school time or something like that, because at that time you would only read about floppy disk and a hard drive which would spin the disk inside. My computer book was kind of old because I never studied about an SSD. That's to be 100% honest. Maybe I'm too old for an SSD. So anyway, getting back to the topic, I decided to upgrade to an SSD. Now, first of all, an SSD was way more expensive as compared to a hard drive because an SSD of 240 gigs was something I could afford, but it was having just 240 gigs of space as compared to a terabyte amount of space that was already inside my laptop. But because I couldn't really stand the slowness of my laptop, is there slowness a word in the dictionary? Let me know in the comments, because I just came up with the word slowness. So after trying to upgrade my laptop to an SSD, the amount of difference I could really feel was just like day and night. And the second thing I ended up doing was I ended up recommending all of my family members to upgrade to an SSD, because an SSD is just like a magic inside the laptop. Not only my laptop was turning on very quickly, the amount of time it took to load application was so much quicker. Just to put that in perspective, it took 2 minutes to load in GTA 5 on my hard drive as compared to 40 second or 45 second on a SSD. You guys can believe how quick my life would just become because of an SSD. I didn't had to wait for my laptop to boot up for 5 minutes, 6 minutes and then try to do a task. It made a hell of a difference in my life. That was the main reason why I'm making this video. If you have an old laptop, if you have a new laptop which is very slow, which takes a lot of time to boot up, or if you click on application it gets stuck, or if you're multitasking, you're feeling like your laptop is slow, and I feel like all new laptops should come with an SSD. Why still manufacturers are offering hard drive in the laptop? It's 2021, come on guys. But anyways, the main point of this video is, if you're having an old laptop, or if you're having a laptop which is very slow, which has a good processor, the RAM is good, but still the laptop is lagging a lot, the only upgrade you need to do an SSD. Now, I will link some of the SSD below if you want to upgrade it. To be honest guys, I ended up going with a 240 gigs of storage, because 240 gigs of storage, even though was kind of low for my side, but still it was pretty good. After like putting the Windows and my file, I had plenty of space left. So I think this video is getting enough longer. So if you like the video, make sure you give it a like, and if you're new, consider subscribing, become a part of this channel. And thanks for watching, and goodbye.